we know in the context of the gut and for people living in the industrialized world, higher diversity is generally better. The big signal really was in the fermented food group. We saw all the things that you would hope to see in a Western microbiota and Western human. We saw this increase in microbiota diversity over the course of the 6 weeks while they were consuming the fermented foods. But we know in the context of the gut and for people living in the industrialized world, higher diversity is generally better. People with higher diversity generally are healthier. If you can push your diversity higher, you're in better shape. And so we saw that increase in diversity. And then the major question is what happened to the immune system as these people were increasing their gut microbiota diversity through the fermented foods. We did this massive immune profiling, and we see, a couple dozen immune markers, inflammatory markers, decrease over the course of the study. So we measure these at multiple time points throughout the course of the study, and there's kind of this stepwise reduction in things like interleukin-6 and interleukin-12, a variety of kind of famous inflammatory mediators. And then even if you go into the immune cells and you start looking at their signaling cascades, we see that those signaling cascades are less activated at the end of the study compared to the beginning of the study, indicating an attenuation of inflammation. So kind of exactly what we would hypothesize would lead to less propensity for inflammatory disease over time.